In this video, I am going to make butterfly by using paper sheets. Let's start. We require paper, pencil, glue, helps of foaming sheet and thread and paper sheets. We can use thread by replacement of foaming sheet helps. I chose green and yellow color for making paper butterfly. You can choose any color which is available to you. It is square shape, into square shape and other in circle. And then cut. Then take both paper sheet and adjust with each other. Then wrap paper alternately, fan-like arrangement. Then take a half of foaming sheet and adjust here in the center. Then open. Our butterfly is ready. If you like our video, please comment, share, press bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.